most beautiful city in the country has become the ugliest in one shot. And thanks to all these political rogues that we have in power. They're rogues. There's nothing else left. And what else do we say? आता एकुसुल्ला politically ते का बाहेर डोंग जाय आणि काय ना. But nothing else is going to this. They have become so hardened. Their skins are so hardened. They are not bothered about what you and I say. The only thing is to the ballot box. We're talking of inconvenience. Look, marta mare. The dust that is flying, people are staying, 70-year-old, 80-year-old people are having lung disease, having all sorts of sicknesses because of the quality of the air, because of the quality of because of the mud which is flying into the system. I think, I don't know what to say. I have talked on this subject many times. And whether we want to laugh or we want to cry about this, it is a comedy of dirty errors, not even errors. There are no words to describe. The English dictionary will require something more to describe such apathy and such crookism of these people in power. The only message that I can have to people of Goa: stop getting divided on religion, stop getting divided on caste, stop getting divided on color of your skin, stop getting divided on just anything that we human beings try to get divided upon. Unite, because the biggest enemy is the political class. The current political class is made of scum. Correct word for them is scum. And nothing else but our unity can get rid of this. That's my only appeal.
Smart City Corporation is a wholly owned government corporation. So every action of the Smart City, of constant digging in Panjim City during the super peak season of tourism and festivals of the Christmas, including exposition this year, the overflow of people from Old Goa coming into Panjim to visit the iconic Panjim church, and with the constant digging has made our lives miserable as well as the tourists. I've seen elderly tourists who also devotees who come for exposition coming to Panjim walking very slowly because the hurdles of digging and leftover of the construction material on the road, complete unplanned. I don't know what is the reason to do constant digging, making the life of Panjim locals miserable and making a chaos for the tourists. Looks like the only planning the ruling party has got is plan for next election and how to buy the opposition. So once the opposition is with them, there is no voice of opposition except our voices who constantly are given out, may improve the lives of Panjim citizens, and these works make to conclude. They are very dangerous. They have done outside, just in front of the Don Bosco High School, when the masses, thousands of people are going to Don Bosco for mass, for Christmas mass. Just before that, entire that road of the Mahatma Gandhi road, they have dug right up to Don Bosco school door. I don't understand the date of this planning of these people. Why they are to hurry this and why they are to dig during this super peak season of tourism. And there is a huge floating populations coming from casinos also. Panjim got a huge floating population of tourists. So you want to discourage tourism, little which is flowing here into Panjim city, and you want to make life of Panjim city miserable. Plus with the works down, there is no place, shortage of parking also. So traffic chaos is added to our lives. So this festival of Christmas and New Year has been the worst for us we have faced as senior citizens in Panjim city. I hope this work comes to an end before the Republic Day, before 26 January. This work should come to an end, and there must be a plan structure for the works to, the contractor to complete and the works to be done. Cannot go unstopped and anywhere and dig anywhere and everywhere in Panjim city at the same time. There must be a planning. Simultaneous digging of all the main roads has thrown everybody out of gear. Local population are put to severe hardships because most of the time we are here frequenting the market and other places of worship, and besides that, tourism to add to it. Hundreds of tourists are flowing in Panjim, and plus with their own vehicles. So that digging of roads, they follow Google Map, they don't know where they are going. and with the digging of roads, we go anyway, putting our life in severe danger. I hope this voice of ours, of Panjim resident, reaches out to the government and the digging and the works are concluded before the Republic Day.
सगळे वाट लावन उडयल्या परत.
ते आता
लोकांक भोंवपाक जागो ना, लोकांक येवपाक जागो ना, प्लॅनिंग ना, खंयच ट्रॅफिक पुलीस ना, खंयच कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचे तेंच्यांनी ट्रॅफिक मॅनेज करपाक जाय पण तेंचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सायन केल्लो आसता तेन्ना सगळें बरयल्लें आसता कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर तेंचे कांयच ना. हे
सो तुम्ही कितें म्हणजे सांगलेले म्हणजे सीसीपी किंवा अशें
हांव पयलीं पासून हांव बोवाळ मारता न्ही कितें प्लॅनिंग करा आनी काम करा म्हणून. काम करूंक जाय, काम करून पूण प्लॅनिंग करूंक जाय न्ही. अशे लोकांक त्रास करून हॅरेस करून न्ही. आज पणजेन तुका येवंक भोवूंक मेळटा सांगा म्हाका, तुमीच सांगा.
भोंवपाक मेळना, गाडी पार्क करपाक मेळना, चलोवपाकच
गाडी पार्क
मेळना.
करूंक मेळना. सगळे परत 18 जून खंय. हांव म्हाजें एग्जांपल सांगता. आज कोण दीस, आज शेनवार.
हय.
आज म्हाका दिसता थर्सडे पयर हांव म्हाज्या कामा खातीर एक आल्फ्रेड प्लाझान गेल्लो हांव. ज्या रोडा वयल्यान आयला डॉनबॉस्को कडल्यान हांव ज्या रोडा वयल्यान आयला थंय सगळो रोड सारको आसलो. म्हणजे हांव 5:30 आयल्लो आनी 7:30 हांव परत वचपाक गेलो जाल्यार तो रोड ब्लॉक. म्हणजे कांयच लोकांक हे करप ना, इन्फॉर्म करप ना, सायनबोर्ड मारप ना, बाबा हो रोड बंद, हांगा हे डायव्हर्शन तुमकां हांगा आसा. लोक फुडें वचून टर्न मारता, तेतून ट्रॅफिक जॅम. म्हणजे लोकांनी अक्षरशः त्या दिसा त्रास म्हाज्या दोळ्यांनी पळयले हांवें. अशें लोकांक कॅर काडनासतना हें काम चालू आसा स्मार्ट सिटीचें. आनी हे तुका आतां जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा तोय कोणाक आयकुपाचो ना. तो व्हडलो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर तो कोणाक आयकुपाचो ना. एटलीस्ट स्मार्ट सिटीन सारकें काम करून घेवंक जाय न्ही. जे कोण थंय MD आसा आनी कोण आसा तेंच्यांनी लोकांक कमीत कमी त्रास जाता ते पळोवंक जाय. लोकूय त्रास सहन करपाक तयार आसा पूण अशें न्ही. मिस मॅनेजमेंट हे. एक तुमी लेन घ्या कंप्लीट करा, दुसरी लेन घ्या कंप्लीट करा. तुम्ही एट अ टाइम परत पणजे मेन तुम्ही आता मेन सिटी 18 जून रोड मेन म्हणजे सगळे डॉनबॉस्को एरिया सगळे तुम्ही ते ब्लॉक करून उडयला. ते स्कूल आसा आनी कितें आसा तुम्ही कांयच पळयना.
सारकी
माझी मागणी आसा की जो MD जो आसा स्मार्ट सिटीचो त्याने पर्सनल लक्ष घालून हे ट्रॅफिक पुलीस ते दवरचे. नाजाल्यार कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक सांगचे थंय आपले मनीस ते ट्रॅफिक हे करपाक दवरचे. सायनबोर्ड मारचे. मेन इम्पॉर्टंट सायनबोर्ड. बाबा फुडलो रोड बंद आसा. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट सायनबोर्ड बाबा रोड क्लोज आसा. एका तुम्ही डायव्हर्शन आता हे तुम्ही थंय सगळें बरोवंक जाय न्ही. लोक कोणी आमकां पणजेन आसून आमकां खबर कळना जाल्यार भायले लोक येतात तांकां खंयचे वाटूक कितें कळटलें. टोटल मेस सारकें. हय टोटल. हय.